All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. First person to drop a comment and tell me what this truck it is, you the man. Anyway, if you guys haven't dropped a comment yet, you better hurry up. All right, today we got a 2007 Chevy Silverado crew cab, four-wheel drive, 6.6 Duramax with just over 108,000 miles. If you guys seen that YouTube short, I said 104. It's definitely 108. I drove to California and back myself, so I put 4,000 more miles on it. And I'm totally kidding. But this is a one-owner California truck, absolutely zero rust. Body's in really good shape, a couple small flaws here and there. Interior, no rips or tears. Interior's in really good shape as well. Still has the full power options. It does have upgraded amp electric step boards. I will try to point out any major defects. I don't believe there really is any, but the frame, you can see how pretty that frame is for a 2007. MBRP exhaust. It is tuned. It does have a mild tune in it. Like I said, full exhaust from MBRP. The back end of the truck looks like in really good shape. It does have rear airbags, so if you're a guy that needs to tow, it is set up for that. You guys can look down the body lines and see it's shiny. There's no major damage anywhere. We're gonna finish up detail on this truck in the next couple days, and it will be fully ready for sale. BFG's currently 75-ish% tread left. Hood's in really good shape. Front bumper's in really good shape. Headlights are clear and clean. We'll shine up the trim, get this thing flossing. There's one little scratch mark right here. That's touch upable. This will buff out. There's a couple spots right there we got to touch up very lightly. Same thing, driver's side, very good shape as well. No big dents or dings. Again, zero rust. This truck is 108,000 miles. It's still in wonderful condition for the year. You guys know as well as I do, these trucks are getting extremely hard to find. They only made the LBZs for a year and a half. They're starting halfway through 06 into 2007. So there's not a ton of them left, man. Most of these trucks are, you know, beat to shit, rusted out. Their wives crashed them. This is one of the lone survivors. Yes, sir. Let you guys hear it. It sounds really good. It's not overly loud. It's got a full MBRP exhaust, but it does have a muffler in the MBRP exhaust, so it is pretty quiet. Here's a shot of your rear airbags. They're manual bags mounted right here in the back. Control the right, control the left. If you wanted to upgrade, you know, to like an automated system, we can add a compressor, put it on a remote control for you if you want to have remote controlled airbags. Overall, the truck is very nice. Easily, you guys know my rating scale. This one's easy to land in the 9s, simply because it is a 2007. It is older, but it's still in extremely good shape. And it's, like I said, you know, no rocker panel rust. I'll give you guys another good shot of the frame up here. You can see some light. Like, look how clean that is. Even the bolts still look really good too. Give you another shot of the rear. Yes, sir. Anyway, LT truck. It's got some good, solid taste for upgrades, like I said. I hunt for these trucks pretty much weekly. I don't find many of them to buy that are reasonably priced. Some of these trucks, these guys go to some of these dealerships and they're asking in the 40s for these trucks. These trucks ain't cheap in general, an 06, 07. So if you're like, gosh, damn, the price is expensive. I don't make the prices up, man. It's just the market on the trucks. That's just what these things sell for. Here's a shot of the rocker. Like, look how clean the rocker is. Anyway, if you guys have more questions, if you need more videos, I'll be more than happy to shoot you guys some more information. 2007 LBZ Duramax crew cab, four-wheel drive, 6.6 Duramax, Allison Tranny. You guys know the deal. If you guys have any questions, give us a call today, 843-697-7501. Until next time, next video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.